Hello everyone, I am Xiaoying, stop wasting money. This plate of fried rice only costs 5 yuan, the same takeaway fried rice, but it costs more than 20 yuan outside. But at home, with a pack of frozen vegetables and leftovers, and stir. Fry it. You can not only fill your stomach, but also delicious. Many people think fried rice must be delicious in restaurants. But it is not true at all. The truly delicious fried rice doesn't depend on the price, but whether it has the flavor and layers. In today's video, I will use the most common frozen vegetables. I'll make a fried rice that looks like takeout and tastes like restaurants' fried rice. And the cost is only 5 to 6 yuan. Let's talk about ingredients. It is really simple. A bowl of leftover rice, a little vegetables, corn, carrots, green peppers, and an egg. If you have ham or luncheon meat at home, you can add some. It doesn't matter if not, seasoning is just the basic salt, soy sauce, and pepper. Without any complicated ingredients, nor any special skills. But these most common ingredients combined together can become a takeaway. Level fried rice. Let's calculate the cost first. Vegetables cost about 2 yuan. 9 yuan for eggs. Rice is almost negligible. Seasonings cost 1 yuan. The whole plate costs about 5 to 6 yuan. While a plate of fried rice outside is about 18 to 25. And you may not be full. Many people have never seriously calculated this gap. The first step is to fry the eggs. Pour a little oil into the pan and then add the eggs. Stir, fry quickly over medium heat until the eggs turn into small golden pieces. This step will directly determine the flavor of the entire plate of fried rice. You will smell a distinct egg flavor coming out. That fragrance cannot be replaced by any seasoning can replace. After stir, frying, set it aside. The second step is to stir, fry vegetables. This is the key to making the fried rice look expensive. Pour the vegetables into the pot and stir, fry over medium heat. You will see the colors gradually become very beautiful. Corn is bright yellow, carrots are orange, green peppers are green. At this moment, the whole pot starts to look appetizing. The key is to stir, fry off some of the moisture to make it from wet to dry and fragrant. Many takeaway fried rice looks good because of the rich colors. The third step is to add the rice. This is the key step. Pour in the leftover rice and quickly break it up with a spatula. Be sure to use medium or high heat. Let the rice jump in the pan. You will hear a distinct popping sound. That is the formation of pot gas. Many people's fried rice is not tasty because the fire is too small, turning it into a stew, and there is no fragrance at all. At this time, start seasoning. Add a little soy sauce to make the color more shiny. Add a little salt to add basic flavor. Finally, sprinkle some pepper to enhance the aroma. Just 3 steps. But the taste will be completely different. Then put the eggs into the pot. This step is the key to upgrading. If you want to make it feel like takeout, you can add some diced ham or luncheon meat. Or add some chili sauce. It will directly become a spicy fried rice. You will find that the taste will suddenly thicker, more fragrant, and more street. Continue to stir. Fry for a few more times to fully blend all the ingredients. At this time, the rice in the pot has started to turn golden, separated grains. Each grain is wrapped in a little oil. The visual effect is already close to a restaurant. When it is out of the pot, you will see a whole plate of fried rice with rich colors. There are golden eggs, orange carrots, green peppers, and slightly shiny rice. It looks clean and tidy, and even a little bit of a high-end feel. Just a glance will make you hungry. When you take the first bite, you will first taste the aroma of the egg, which is soft. The second bite is the sweetness of vegetables, with a refreshing feeling. The third bite is the rice's pot aroma, with a little burnt aroma, but not greasy. The overall taste is not complicated, but simple, but very comfortable. You will find that the biggest difference between this fried rice and takeout, but the way of cooking takeaway is relying on standardized and oiliness, while home-made fried rice relies on the pot gas and freshness. As long as the steps are correct, the gap is not as big as you think. More importantly, it is really cost-effective. A takeaway fried rice costs 25 yuan, while you only need 5 to 6 yuan at home, and you can eat more safely and more fulfilling. In fact, many takeaways are expensive is not because they are really complicated, but because we don't realize that it can be easily replicated. When you learn this set of logic, you will find that many takeout dishes can be gradually reduced. The same takeaway fried rice costs 25 yuan, but only 6 yuan at home. The difference is not the taste, but whether you have tried it yourself.